وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
MashaAllah. Your brother has come? Youngest? Yeah? Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. What's his name? Assalamualaikum. One person is missing, huh? Is it Aisha? Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Assalamualaikum.
Welcome.
Huzur may speak about this too in the Friday sermon, but if Huzur would like to say something here today.
Some comments on the tour?
Yes, please.
Many a comment I have already made during my sermons there, and some I'll make during the coming sermon of Friday. But one thing I must tell here, the people of Liqa Ma'al Arab, that I was amazed to discover in America how many Arabs watch Liqa Ma'al Arab program. I could never imagine that this program had become so popular in Arab countries. People at the airport, people looked at me and said, look, we have seen him in the Liqa Ma'al Arab. And they kept telling our Kafla members, amazingly, it was such a great number, they couldn't keep even count. Every Arab which passed by, I said, yes, we know him. We watch him regularly in Liqa Ma'al Arab. So that is, congratulations to you and to all of you for participating in this program, which is becoming widely popular in the world. Had I not gone to America this time, I could never have imagined how popular it had become. And they were all, they all of them mentioned with great respect, this Liqa Ma'al Arab. And it was evident that they were deeply impressed. So I hope, inshallah, some revolution is being brought about quietly in the Arab world about Ahmadiyyat. Please. Does your brother also watch Liqa Ma'al Arab there? Yeah? MashaAllah. Next.